Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am jumping up and down. This is a surprise package sent from Madam Glam, y'all. This is their limited edition 2024 Easter egg. So let's get into all of the magic. For those of you that might not have been on the channel last year, they released their first 2023 Easter egg, and I lost it. There's a full review on this channel, which I'm gonna link down below. But y'all, this egg has stolen my heart. They had Jane Austen themes, and this is just so stinking precious. Between this bow and just this is the most darling package I have ever seen. The packaging is out of control. So on the back it says vegan Easter egg recipe. So this is that same vegan recipe that you know you love. The vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. Now, my Easter egg got shook up, so I quickly just put those swatches back on, and she is ready to go. So on the back, it says ingredients. 1 cup of egg mania, collected from the Easter Bunny's home. 3 drops of magic whispers, gifted by garden fairies. 1 dash of extravaganza from Madam Glam's laboratories, in 1 sprinkle of bunny's freckles, borrowed from a friendly bunny. Mix it all together and enjoy a glamorous gel manicure this Easter. So the ingredients are literally the names of the polishes. I am freaking out. This is one of their most, I always love their packaging. Out of a lot of companies I've seen, they really go the extra mile, but this is the most darling ever. So we're starting off with Egg Mania, which is a gorgeous coral. I am so in love with every single color they chose. And honestly, in tandem with the Easter egg last year, you have all of the pastels that you ever need. This is also giving me a tangerine cream, and I am living for it. Now next up is Extravaganza, which is such a beautiful pink. I just want to keep this forever. This is definitely in my favorite pinks. It is such a light blush tone, but again, the pastels I am living for. Next up is my favorite, Magic Whispers, which is, this just warms my heart to no end. This is a robin blue, and especially with the Easter theme, having a robin blue color is just mwah, chef's kiss. Madam Glam put that vegan Easter egg recipe with with these beautiful ingredients and came out with the most stunning pastel collection. And I am audibly squeeing for this no wipe top coat, y'all. I don't have anything like it. The fragments almost have a metallic or flaky shine to them. But these bunny freckles are the absolute sweetest. They have accents from all of the colors that we get to unbox today, but also yellow. And I just can't get over both glossy and matte. This is one of my favorite effect toppers that Madam Glam has ever come out with. I'm losing it. I'm also going to break out a bunch of effect toppers towards the end to show you how to do an amazing Easter mani really quick with their amazing products. But let the swatch party begin! Now I have to apologize. I am in a completely different room. I had to make this my studio for the day because there is some really loud construction going on outside. But again, the show waits for no one, nay nay. When Madam Glam their stork drops off the most darling Easter egg ever. I don't know if storks deliver Easter eggs, do they? No, they're Easter bunny. If Madame Glam's Easter bunny was so kind to drop this off, then it doesn't matter how loud the party's going outside, because we got a party on in here. Now, I wanted to show you what's really amazing about these effect top coats is you don't have to worry upon doing your layer, your first couple swipes. If you don't like how the glitters or the fragments inside are moving, just grab yourself an ultra liner, move that around, and you will literally have the most darling finish. Now, for all the swatches, I am going to show you both in glossy, and then I am going to make that beautiful no wipe top coat matte. So you also see that in matte and glossy on all of the colors today, because this is just too great. We need to put this on all of the colors. But already, this is two completely different looks, and I love that they give you everything you need to make the most darling Easter mani. Now, of course, we had to go right into Bunny's freckles. Woo! My heart was racing the entire time I was doing this swatch. I was like, this is so beautiful. I need it on my phalanges. I also have bare phalanges, so we are going to be doing an Easter mani. You just got to make sure you have the notification bells on, because we are going to be doing all of the things. Now, speaking with the knowledge and the hindsight of last year's Easter egg, I am like overwhelmed with emotion. I feel so blessed to be able to continue this magical influencer dream of working with Madame Glam. I absolutely love their products, so just being able to be on their team and do these launches just means the absolute world to me. And last year, when I saw their Easter egg with the cotton candy and all of the celestial vibes, I thought it could never get any better, because that is like me described. All of the cotton candy realness and, you know, the witchy vibes. So I was losing it. But this Jane Austen inspired vegan Easter egg, I'm losing it. It's just all of the attention to detail for me, down to the adorable purple little bow. Like, I am definitely keeping this box. It is a work of art. Looking at the details they've done with the leaves, the flowers, the adorable bird. Like, I honestly, this is something that just gives me, like, I'm at a loss for words because it is so beautiful. And I just feel so honored that I'm able to review and make beautiful art for you guys. So though this is a swatching, which I wanted to give all my love to, the next video is definitely going to be a full set. Now, I am madly in love with every single color, but as I was saying before, for somebody who is in love with pastels and just those really dreamy shades, the limited edition Easter egg is for you. Now, I think throughout the year, something that's like long anticipated and like you wait for is the advent calendar. But I also love that throughout the year, they add their magic and make things like this. Like, this Easter egg is out of control. And I can't wait to show you. There is a color from last year called Glowing My Way. Oh my gosh, it is pink with little funfetti Easter magic inside, and y'all, we're gonna go all out for this Easter box. I want to draw bunnies, I want eggs, we gotta have chocolate, just all of the magic. And it's really inspiring when a company goes like all out. Like, I've never seen anything like this box. So when it came to me, like, I felt so special to receive this. And I think Madame Glam, they really go the extra mile to make sure that their customers, their influencers, like anybody working or using their products feels special, like it was made for them. And I think they've really done an amazing job with this box, and I just can't wait to all of the things. Like, I just can't believe how easy it is to work with this, and the fact that they've also given no wipe top coat and all of these colors. It makes it different than last year. But for those of us that were lucky and were able to either purchase or receive the box from last year, you will literally have like a pastel collection to like make all the fairies jealous, okay? You will be queen of the fairies with these colors. Like, I just can't get over how beautiful they are. And it's timeless. Like, it is good for any time of the year, but especially when spring has sprung and we are having the fresh blooms and you can hear the birds chirping. A matte mani or a pastel mani, it just hits different. So Madame Glam is so smart to release this during this time, because after all of the excitement of, the festivities of Christmas and everything, for Easter, this is where Madame Glam makes me feel like a little kid again. These colors, like, are you kidding me? These are instant little eggies. I can't wait to decorate. I also have these little tiny Easter eggs that I want to paint. So we are not only going to be doing a nail art look, we're also going to be painting an actual egg. Well, it's an egg specifically for decorating, but it's an acrylic egg. But I'm just so excited, like, just all of the things. This again has made me just feel the magic of Easter, and I can't wait to create so much art with this. Now, shamelessly, I am going to show you so many different views of these swatches with different lighting, because, the way this pastel hits, I just have to show it at all of the angles. But I did want to grab those effect top coats and really show you how easy it is to jazz up a nail. Now, there's a few that are my favorite for Easter time, which are Dalmatian, which is little black spots, and Polka Bunny, which has the most darling white spots, and those two are my favorite for doing the mottled eggs. You finish it off with a velvet matte, and you literally get the most perfect egg. Like, you don't have to faff, it is just so easy, but the effect is so cool. But I also took out toppers from previous collections, including the confetti no wipe top coat that literally has the most darling sparkles. And then from the House of Bloom, which the toppers literally look like sprinkles. So how stinking precious are these? So I lost it. We even have King of Glam in here. I just had to take them all out so that I could just show you. Even if you don't want to faff with nail art, you can just grab these top coats and it does all the nail art for you. Now, as I swatch each one, I will have the name in that left-hand corner, just so that if any of these toppers speak to your heart, you can run on over and grab them. But that's why I love in certain collections, when I see that no wipe top, I run to it, because it is so versatile and you can do so much with it. And honestly, these mottled spots, they're so perfect. Like, the attention you have to do by hand, you don't even have to worry. It's just all of the magic is in the bottle for you. That's what I love about Madame Glam. Their products do the heavy lifting. And how darling are these? And imagine the matte, y'all. Like, I should have went through all of it. If you guys would like a short of me going through all of their effect tops, I can do that, because their effect top coats are out of this world, and definitely you need them in your Madame Glam collection. I swear there is certain colors that just literally live rent-free in my head, and the bunny freckles is definitely going to be one of those colors that, like, I am just envisioning and thinking of all of the different sets I can do. Thank you so much for coming in to today's video. Now, I know it was a little longer, but I wanted to make sure that you could see those bunny freckles on every single cream magical color that they sent in this Easter egg. And with the huge attention to detail and just how much love they put in this little egg, I wanted to make sure I took my time and I spoke from the heart. Now, before this video is over, I want to quickly take out the 2023 Easter egg. I'm just going to open it up right here. And these colors, this is why I'm saying together and in tandem with the new pastels, you have everything you'll ever need. Now, they have this stunning green that is called Rebirth, Lily Scent, which is a purple. They have Euphoria, which is one of the most stunning. Like, you guys have seen me use that on countless character art tutorials. But also this Glowing My Way. This is the one that I was freaking out, and I'm definitely going to use with this new Easter egg because it is just so stinking precious. Also, there was Pinkster there and another Coral Tangerine Dream, which was called Spring Bloom. So again, like, no matter what year you are blessed to go out and grab one of these limited edition. See, I got so excited. We just, the pronunciation was just off. If it's in your heart to grab one of these limited edition eggs, you will not be disappointed. As you saw, like, the quality, if anything, just continues to go up, up, up. But what I love is even last year, they had like the most precious artwork on their bottles, and that completely matched the theme of that Easter egg. So the fact that they have done Jane Austen proud with this whimsical egg and the most darling pastels, I am just so excited to do all of the Easter magic. Thank you for watching this cracking video. Okay, now I'm just going off. It was cracking good, right? But thank you again, Madam Glam, for sending out this darling Easter egg. And thank you, my beautiful nail family, for watching this unboxing and swatch party. No matter where in the world this found you, I pray it found you so well. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Sending all of my love. Mwah.